Okay, what are we going to do?
Cook.
You're going to cook? What are you going to decorate? What are you going to decorate?
This one.
The sprinkle cake? Look up. I can't see you. Cole? Look up. Oh! No, we got to put the frosting on top. Hold on. That goes, it goes here. Like that. Okay? Hold on. Hold on. We got to put the frosting on the cake. Can you say frosting?
Frosting.
What are we going to do? Put the frosting on the cake. Okay, hold on. This is the frosting. Hold on. Nope, don't eat it. We're going to frost the cake. See?
Can I have taste?
Yeah, you're going to frost the cake first with the spatula.
Oh. So what I do now?
You do this with the cake, with the frosting.
What's
You
this?
decorate it. Here. See? Nope. Okay, now you decorate the cake. Nope. Don't eat it. Like this. Smooth it. Like this. Smooth it. See? Hold on. See? You smooth it. Can you do that? Show me. Smooth it. There you go. Smooth it. There you go. That's how you decorate. Yeah, that's how you do it. Yeah, over there now. Over there, yeah. Now smooth it. Smooth it. Yep. When Grandma finished, then you can put the sprinkles on. Here we go. Here we go. Hold on. Like this.
Oh.
Now you want to put the sprinkles on?
Yep.
Okay, rub it a little more. Yeah, rub it a little more. Rub it a little more. Yep, a little bit more. Okay, that's good. Give me this. Give me that. Give me that. Yum. Now we put the color sprinkles on. Okay? This is how you do it. Nope, nope, nope. You take your fingers and you sprinkle. Can you do that? Do more. There you go. Sprinkle. Over there. Over here. You sprinkle the whole cake. There you go. Sprinkle over there. No, on the cake. This side of the cake. Okay. Sprinkle some more. There you go. Sprinkle some more. Beautiful. Can Grandma help?
No.
No? Okay. Then you sprinkle the rest. Yum. Yeah, good boy. Look here. Are you about done? You want to do this?
Yep.
Okay, pour the rest on, but not all together. Just a little bit. Well, that'll work. Okay. Can you do this? A little bit? Okay. Now, that's beautiful. Can you tell me what you did? Did you decorate? You decorate what? You decorate the sprinkle cake? Let me see. Let me see the pretty smile. Is it delicious? Tell me how good it is. Is it good? Let me see if it's good. What do you say?
Thank you.
No, you say it's delicious.
No, I say
Yep.